Benim ismim Adam. Yedner padişahlığının şahzadesi. Bu yerde sırlık Galiskar tanesi var. Bu yolvas benim en yaxşı dostum. Bende sırlık güç kuvvet var. Lazım bolganda şemşirimni çıkırıp katlıkta olayım ben. Bana güç kuvvet Allah'ım! Bu çağda yolvas, eriş yolvasıga aylanır. Ben Xeymen'ge, alemdeki en kudretlik Adem'ge aylanım. Benim özgür sırımni dostum Şadotberi son sırız. Yasa ol, değil ve o üç kişili bilir. Biz birlikte rezillik menbiyi İlanta kalaşlı gelgen alvasla bilen köreş kılırız.
Bundaq tez yetib kelganligingizga rahmat, hurmatli oliylari.
Ahvolni aytib jiddiy deb ekansan.
Biz nega boramiz?
Eliq energiyaga boramiz.
Oh. Men çoğun olup bu yerga bakmaptı ekanman.
Odatda bu yerga kelish hojatsiz. Biroq hozir zarur. Mangulik energiya tishi osmon jismlaridagi hammadan qudratli modda. Bu bir parchasi bizni necha asr energiya bilan ta'minlab keldi.
Yasavol nima ish bo'ldi?
Uning energiyasi tugaldan qoldi.
Agar u ishlatilib bo'lsa, bu yerdagi hamma narsa harakatdan to'xtaydi.
İskelet şah ta'sir kuchirmaydi. Bu fursatdan foydalanib bu yerga hukmronlik qiladi.
Energiya tishini yangilishlashimiz kerak.
Bu oson emas, oliylari. Mangulik energiya tishini topib bo'lmaydi.
Hey, nima ish bo'ldi? Tok ketdi-ku.
İşte hımı çatak oldu. O bir almashtırdıgan moddaga muhtoj. Uning ustiga tez bo'lish kerak.
Bo'ldi. Babir, yana egizdirek. Yaxshi, Asiyada. Sen nerede? Bugün talimiz qandaroq kimdir sinab ko'ray. Yana mag'lub bo'ldim.
Aha, chadi. Xap ko'rinasan bu.
Hammani qilgan mushimildim. Agar qarg'ayib saviyam tuvan bo'lgan bo'lsa, podshohlikni qo'g'dash atrofida qatnashamgan bo'lardim.
Ehtimal sen askarlikka loyiq emassan. Nima uchun askar bo'lg'ing kelib qoldi?
Mundaq ish bova. Xeyman bilan deyla qara, men shularga o'xshash. Allohlar bilan jang qilsam deyman. Qo'lda qudratli qurol bo'lish, aeroplanda uchish, iskelet shohning muhofazachilari bilan jang qilish. Bu nima degan qolsiz? Men shunday qilsam deb o'ylayman.
O'zingga bunda ishinib ketma, chadi. Jang qilish xatarlik ish. O'ylig'iningdek ko'ngil ochadigan ish emas. Jang qilsa yordar bo'ladi.
Boshqacha biror turda qilmadingizmi? Agar mening demoqchi bo'lganim, agar siz menga olgan bo'lsangiz.
Shundaq, buning sababini sen zadil so'rab baqmaganding.
So'rashga jur'at qilolmadim.
Burun sen kichik bo'lganligingdan sana aytmagandim. Endi cho'ng bo'lding. Sana so'zlab berishim kerak. Nemish, Babir? Qum davridagi go'har. Men uni ko'raman deb zodi o'ylamagandim.
Bu nima?
Bir parcha mangulik energiya tishi.
Bir xush xabar Yasavol. Men hozir bir kono do'stimdan xabar oldim. Qumliqdan uning navrisi bir parcha mangulik energiya tishi tepib olibdi.
Xudoga shukr, energiya tishi izlayotganlarni izlashni to'xtatishni uqtiraylik.
Avval biz Dilani o'tashni saqlashga evataylik.
Hozirli bormi?
Bunun hammasining sababligi temir yig'iz olvasdi. Agar sen halokatlik portlashni keltirib chiqarmagan bo'lsang, skillashyapmizni kachiq ekran qarab nazorat qilish qo'ymagan bo'ladi.
Hay, quloqni og'ritmasang-chi. Hammasi yugmash o'tinni tizgilash asbobini yugib olganlikdan bo'ldi.
O nima?
Мәңгілік энергия деші. Bir parçası kumluqdan ötüp ketip atıdı.
Gel, qora yelpiz. Tez, to'q zanjirning ochiqishida kel.
Bizga ochiqish kerak emas.
Nemishqa baldirroq shunday qilmading?
Ehtamaq vaqti bo'lg'ini yo'q. Bu yoqqa kel. Мәңгілік энергия deshni og'ilib borayli.
Tila ought to be here pretty soon.
Tila? She's coming here?
Didn't I tell you? King Randor is sending her to escort us.
You mean I get to meet her?
Well, I suppose if you wanted to.
Grandpa,
Of course you can meet her, Chad.
did you hear that, Burby? We get to meet Tila!
Look, the Eternium is right down there. Yeah, and no one to stop us but a boy and an old man in a jet chair. This will be easier than I thought. Here.
Hey, look! Is that Tila?
Chad, quick, hand me the scatter ray and the force shield.
But you don't know how to use...
Not now, Chad. Just give them to me.
We'll take that, Rock.
It is ours. Now leave us in peace.
Let's freeze him, merman.
Grandpa? Wow, I didn't know you could handle a shield like that.
Let's just see how strong their weapons are.
Right, he's too good with that thing.
I don't believe it! Why, you're the best shot I've ever seen!
There's a leak over there. Get one of them water creatures you control. Yes. Arise from the depths to obey your master.
Blast it, Grandpa!
No, I will not use this on any living thing.
We've got to do something!
Let's try and get out of here. That's your department, Chad.
After them. What's wrong? Your seaweed gummed up the controls again.
Honestly, Adam, I don't know why my father wanted all of you to come with me.
Me neither.
Hey! What's that up there?
Oh, look. Uh-oh. It's a man and a boy. They're in trouble.
Trouble for them means trouble for me.
Hang on! This'll be dangerous, so I want you three to wait here.
Oh, with pleasure.
By the power of Grayskull.
Wait for me! Grandpa, please! Use the ray!
I can't do it. Maybe I can scare the monster off.
Hang on! It's Tila! And He-Man, too!
Need a hand?
Wow, I don't believe it!
I think it's my turn to stop this creature and your turn to help the people.
You got it!
Keep your legs to yourself, all 6 of them.
Come on, you'll be safer over there.
Tila, could you put your finger here for a second? That should hold you long enough for us to be on our way.
Where's that monster? Let me at him.
You're a little late, Orko.
Not to mention you were supposed to wait in the Wind Raider. Now where's Adam?
He wasn't himself.
In other words, he panicked and went back for help in the Wind Raider.
Well, I wouldn't say that, but I think we'd better get out of here before our friend gets loose. And before Merman and Trapjaw catch up.
So they're behind this.
We'll be ready if they show up again.
Now what? I'm getting a distress call from my Spidosaur. That old man and boy couldn't beat that thing. Turn around! Turn around! It was Xeymän who did it. Now we'll never get the Eternium. It was so close I could almost taste it. Taste it? I wonder. The Eternium is the most powerful substance on the planet. So? Suppose I ate some of it. Why would you do that? Well, if I ate it, it might make me... It would make you as powerful as Xeymän. Right. Then I'll show Xeymän a thing or two. And the rest of Eternia, too. Come on, Merman. It's time for my lunch of Eternium.
I guess we won't have any more trouble from Trapjaw and Merman. Don't be so sure, Chad. We've still got a long way to go.
And it's not like Skeletor's warriors to give up so easily.
Nice Fuzzby. How about a bone? What's your Fuzzby's name?
Furby, Grandpa and I found him as a pup. He's my best friend in the whole world.
How about a little sip of water? Oops, I think I overdid it. Just a little slip of the hat.
You're a funny magician.
Let's just say he's funny. I wish they'd hurry. It's too drowny for me here. Quit whining, you seafaring sissy. Here they come. I'll lure you with my dropper. Then you grab the Eternium, and I'll crank you back up. You better make this worth my while. I told you when I eat that rock, I'll make 1/3 of the planet into an ocean. Wait a minute. You said 2/3 before. Is that right? Yeah. Why are you double-crossing? No wonder it's called a dropper.
Did you hear something?
Yes, and something tells me it's Trapjaw and Merman.
Now my only hope is this grabber.
Hey! He-Man, Tila, look! It's Trapjaw!
I'll take care of him.
At last, one of my devices worked. Now they come as powerful as Xeymän.
Uh-oh.
I can feel it. It's working.
It's a long way down. Will it be the easy way or the hard way?
Not so fast, Xeymän. This time, I'm as strong as you are.
Oh, no!
I guess this means the hard way. Yes, but Trapjaw ate some Eternium. It's given him incredible power.
Catch, Xeymän!
It's Merman! I'll handle him.
I was gonna slide at Snake Mountain.
Let me help you, He-Man. I'll use my ray if I have to.
No, I know how you feel about it.
Out of my way!
That'll teach you to be so grabby.
I'm through playing, He-Man.
I used to make the same mistake myself.
That's showing him, He-Man. What's that?
Sounds like our friend's eating his way out.
Even you can't stop me, He-Man. It's wearing off. I'm losing my power. I need more Eternium.
No! Burby, don't eat it! Burby, you're sick! Oh, Burby! Only magical creatures like Trapjaw can eat rocks!
You can eat all the rocks you want in the prison mines. Tila, take care of him.
A porter prison should hold him. He-Man, it's Burby. He's real sick. I think he might be dying.
I may know someone who can help him. By the power of Grayskull, I command the drawbridge. Open! You wait here.
It's too late for my magic to help him.
What about the Chamber of Life?
A mortal will have to take him inside the chamber. Its magic is too dangerous and I can't control it.
Open the chamber, sorceress.
Very well, He-Man.
Hang on, Burby.
I'd give anything if this had never happened.
You and Burby were very brave, like real soldiers.
I never thought Burby would get hurt.
I know how you feel, Chad. I used to be a soldier.
You? So you weren't always in a jet chair?
No. Many years ago, I could walk, run, play ball, just like you.
What happened then?
Well, it was near the end of the Orc War. I was a young soldier stationed near a mining camp in the sands of time. A group of orcs was attacking the camp. I was on patrol nearby and came to defend the miners. I was good with the scatter ray, and this was the moment I'd been waiting for. I fired at the orcs. My rays missed, but the orcs were frightened off. I was rather pleased with myself until I heard the rumbling. My fancy shooting had loosened the cliff. And the mountain fell on top of us. Later, I pulled myself out of the rubble. My legs were paralyzed. I would never walk again. But I was one of the lucky ones. Many didn't come out at all. Anyway, I swore never to use the scatter ray again.
Grandpa, I had no idea.
But that's all in the past. Right now, it's Burby that I'm worried about. He-Man's been gone a long time.
Here he comes! Burby! You're okay! All right!
Good as new.
Oh, Burby! He-Man, you saved him!
Thank you, He-Man. How can we ever repay you?
Wouldn't happen to have any Eternium on you, would you?
As a matter of fact, I did pick up a few pieces.
You did? That's terrific.
What good will little pieces do you?
Watch.
You're squeezing them into one big rock!
There it is. Enough to power Eternia for a long, long time.
Let's get it to the palace!
Good idea. Your grandpa tells me you want to be a soldier.
I did. I thought it was all fun and games. Now I'm not so sure. People get hurt when they fight.
You bet they do. It could be you, or even someone you love.
Like Burby.
Yes, or your grandpa. Fighting didn't turn out to be much fun for him.
Yeah.
It's something to think about, Chad. But if you still decide you want to join the Guard, I'll put in a good word for you.
Wow! A recommendation from Xeymän.
Let's get going. Sometimes movies and television adventure series like this one make it seem as though shooting a gun, fighting, and taking chances are fun and exciting things to do. And what's more, the good guys never get hurt. But in real life, people do get hurt, even killed when they fight or use guns. Make-believe can be fun, and there's nothing wrong with imagining great adventures. But never forget that when it's the real thing, someone can get hurt. Even the good guys. Even you.